The day of love, that is Valentine's Day, is round the corner, and it's indeed a special day for all the couples out there. Well, on the love-filled occasion, you would naturally want everything to be perfect, and why should your skin be left behind? Whether it's an intimate dinner at home or you have booked a swanky place for special Valentine's night out, you would want to look perfect and beautiful for your partner on Valentine's Day. Well, for that, we have mentioned a few tips and tricks that can give you flawless skin on Valentine's Day. So first of all, pick a cleanser that suits your skin. Cleanser removes the dirt and dead skin cells and prevents acne and blemishes. Secondly, don't forget to use a toner after cleansing it. It preps your skin for moisturizing and tightens skin pores. Thirdly, apply moisturizer as it soothes, hydrates and adds radiance to your skin. Number 4, and the most important one, is to pay attention to your diet. Eat foods like broccoli, berries, spinach, carrots, tomatoes, oranges and papaya as they are good for skin. Lastly, take a proper nap as it gives flawless skin, and drink adequate amount of water. Drinking 6 to 7 glasses of water every day will keep acne and blemishes away. So this Valentine's Day, be the best version of yourself and look the best by applying these skincare tips. And for more such videos, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com.